So over here, you can see that I got four elements right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to group them out together so that they behave as a single object. So if you want to do that, you can select all of them right here, just like this, and then right click and then go ahead and group it out. Or you can press Ctrl Alt Z together as well. So you can go ahead and then now you can see that as I select, it becomes a single object right here, just like this. So this is what you have. I can simply go around over here and ungroup it out together as well to make it like before. You can also go ahead and group, let's say for example, this group right here, just like this, and then group this one out right here so that they become individual groups. Then you can go ahead and group them all together again as well. You can also go ahead and ungroup, and once you do that, you can see that the subgroup remains maintained right here. Or you can regroup it, group it right here just like this, and it takes the same object and regroups it out just like that as well. And that is how you can go ahead and group and ungroup out objects inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.